Number one tactic that the narcissist uses is confusion. And I say that because no matter what technique that they use, no matter what tactic it is, it's going to cause confusion. The love bombing at the beginning, then snatching the rug from up underneath your feet causes confusion. The gaslighting. I don't remember saying that. I don't remember telling you I would go there, do this with you, causes confusion. The stonewalling during arguments, during disagreements. The ghosting. The silent treatment. All of that causes confusion in your mind to where you can't trust your own instincts. You don't know what's real from fake. You don't know if you're the problem or if they're the problem. If you want to know if you're dealing with a narcissist, ask yourself, are you constantly confused? And that'll give you a lot of information right there.